I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, Ms. Matthew, next step is I'm going to send you downstairs to the front counter. Probation is going to schedule for you to come back for an interview and a sentence.
Hey, counsel, can you come up here real quick, please?
Yep.
Just you.
We just,
Is that your peanut butter, please? You can go back with, you can go back. That's the signature. I'll bring you out bring you out that piece of paper too. Just a second. Yep.
yeah, all over the application. Well, she might, but I mean, if I was going to play it, yeah, what is it? I know we have the budget on. There was only one part. I don't know.
He said that there was a car for me, stuff, he said, you know, adding to this thing. That's what he said, hold them to the gas station. Wow. Usually comes in. Yeah.
Counsel, he needs to be arraigned, and your key is 86438?
Yes.
Perfect. So just judge me in just a moment.
Okay.
Come on up, counsel. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Hopkins. Good morning. Would you waive formal reading? All right. We're setting you up for a pretrial on the 22nd. We already got that notice?
Progress.
All right. Mr. Hopkins, you working? Where do you work?
Wayne County Roads.
How long you been with Wayne County?
A few years, sir.
Awesome. Counsel, any reason not to put him on a personal bond?
Mr. Bonds, he lives in FCA, over the falls.
Okay. What time did we give you for that court date?
She didn't say we already seen him.
Because you got to give him time. Heather.
Sorry, Judge. 9:40.
Got that? 9:40? All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond, Mr. Hopkins. First two conditions are pretty obvious. One, stay out of trouble. Two, participate with your court date. The third one is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that means no alcohol, no marijuana. Can you live with those rules?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up?
Yes, sir.
If you mess it up, we put you in jail. It's going to cost you money to get out.
Yes.
Any questions? You all set? Have a nice day. Merry
Joe, I'm
Christmas.
printing out the notice now.
Just hang on, yes.
Take that.
Oh, I got it.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Hopkins, yes, sir. You can be back on Zoom in front of Judge Martin. You have a Zoom? Yeah. Okay. That's the Zoom ID number. Thursday, 1/22, and then photo. Okay. Thank you. Love you, sir. Thank you. You guys great reform, sir? Yeah. Yeah. Set down. Start that. Yes, sir.
You want me to go gather up a couple more? We got a couple minutes?
Yeah, he's on the phone.
All right.
Very good.
You said that. You guys got to say, no, that.
You know how to do the Zooms?
What?
The Zoom?
No.
So you don't have to come here, you can do it all on the computer, all on the telephone. Somebody will be able to teach you. Got lots of time between now and January 22nd at 9:50 p.m. Okay? Good luck, yes, sir.
Do I have to do that?
You have to do it on Zoom, yes. It's a Zoom appointment. So you got plenty of time. You got over a month, somebody can teach you for sure.
You're gonna go with.
You gotta learn, you know.
Okay.
What you gotta do.
How you doing, sir? Hi, Martin.
The attorney, they come in here?
Yes.
All right.
Ouch. You ready?
Yeah, whenever you tell me time. Let me know we're ready. Please. Wait on each other now. Like that? Almost done? It was right during COVID.
That's actually something. This is 40s. It's what I thought.
Yeah, it was like it'd be about 5 years, you know.
Fix this. Love. It's very nice child.
And it's-
Still get down to one page.
I still have like I'm 14.
I was gonna say something about it, I didn't wanna.
I feel like I'm 85. I think I'm 14.
No. Listen, don't get started on why. And then how are you? Hopefully we'll feel it when I hit, right?
Okay, so we had your testimony. We have a question we want to. Yeah, the question we trying to say. Yeah, everything is really good.
Is she over here?
Yeah, okay, here. All right. I mean, thank you. Yeah.
Did you call you?
Everybody gets to think about it. I was good. I'm hard to hear.
Oh, in the back.
It just looks like a bad thing.
You sit on it too?
No.
Have a seat, people.
I knew a guy that was a truck driver, kept going to chiropractor, was doing bad that, he was a chiropractor, fellow told me. Quit sitting on your lawn.
Oh, yes,
His wallet was like that thing.
It's like, what an idiot. How come he couldn't figure that out?
exactly.
Give it to me. He can stop fighting me. Where'd you go?
I thought you had a paper train. Thomas Markowski. Good morning, Mr. Bowditch.
Good morning, Reverend Jeffrey Bowden, 45367, appearing on behalf of Tomkowski. Sir, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please? Mr. Tomkowski.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today's date time set for breaking in this matter. We waived former proceedings. Also had a chance to pre-try this case. You have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Tomkowski, if you plead guilty to an added, visibly impaired understanding and approving the charge with previous means.
Thank you. Sir, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? You understand your, those options you're presented with?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
And how do you wish to plead?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Mr. Bowditch, would you voir dire?
Yes.
Morning, Mr. Kaplan.
One of your actually,
Offense date was October 11 this year.
Mr. Markowski, on October 11th of this year, were you driving, sir?
I was.
Were you driving in van here in town?
Yeah.
Had you been drinking?
Earlier, yes.
What had you been drinking? You,
Yes.
you believe because of consumption of that alcohol, your ability to drive a vehicle is impaired?
Yeah.
Did you take the breath test, sir?
I did.
Do you have any reason to doubt or challenge the validity of that test?
No.
Your Honor, I don't believe we know the, but, do you believe it was over the legal?
All right,
Yeah.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
so am I. I'll dismiss the original charge.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. McCarlsky, I am going to refer you to my probation department downstairs. They're going to schedule with you to come back for an interview and a sentencing date. Based on that interview, they're going to put together a report and a recommendation of sentence. You'll have a chance to go over that with Mr. Bowditch for your sentencing date. I will have read that report, then we'll talk about that report and anything else you want to talk about before I sentence. You understand all that? In the meantime, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. One, stay out of trouble. Two, cooperate with the process so we can move you towards sentencing. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means marijuana and alcohol are off the table. Understood? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond?
Yeah.
Any questions? You're all set. Go on downstairs. Front counter, they'll call your name, give you those dates. Enrique, you're welcome. Enrique Cano Hernandez.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. For the record, Jeff Bowden. Yeah. Sir, could you tell us your name?
Enrique was a counter.
Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, today is date time set for arraignment in this matter. We wait for the briefing standing. We've also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor, which is 2022 and 2019 case. On both of these matters, Your Honor, we have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In both of these matters, Mr. Cano would be pleading guilty to an added count of no operating license on person, given the understanding the original charges would be dismissed.
Thank you. Sir, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty?
Yes.
Understanding this, are you pleading guilty to two charges, two counts of no valid operator's license on person? And are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? On January 7, 2022, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? November 4, 2019, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to both added charges, dismiss both the original charges. What's the status now?
Your Honor, he's working on, he has to settle an immigration issue, and then he'll get his CDL back. He has to get it on.
Okay.
Your Honor, the only thing that might come in, and I don't know, he was since 2022. Matter of fact, I think this year, he hasn't been incarcerated.
Since 22?
Yes, since 22. Matter of fact, I think it was this year.
This year, that's just.
And I don't know if the judge would, if his incarceration would matter, the length. I think it was 11 days for this court, but he did 4 months. I think between here and Livingston County.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was he in jail on these files?
Here, it was, possession of stolen property with harm.
Okay, so you weren't in jail on these charges.
Out of this court, a felony.
Court, yeah.
Understood. All right. Okay. All right. And are you working now? Where at?
Like, for myself, self-employed,
What do you do?
construction, basically.
What kind?
Everything basically except driveways.
Okay. All right, we've got a speeding ticket from 2019, a registration plate charge from 2022, a no proof of insurance from 2022, $1,200 worth of tickets you've never done anything on. Why not?
Here,
Here.
I was told that's all I had, the driving suspended.
You were told by who?
The judge that I saw for because they put me on diversion.
Okay.
They said you have to take care of these 2 tickets, and that was these 2, and
Okay, well, they might have been talking about misdemeanors.
Oh,
Yeah.
With a civil infraction, If you, or if you
Oh,
if it's a misdemeanor, you get a warrant. If it's a civil infraction, they just assume you're guilty.
oh. Well, I have to take care of all of them now, no matter.
Are you in a position to do that?
Right this second, no, but I can do it within the next 2 weeks.
All right, so those tickets are $1,281. You can take care of that in 2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay, so by the 9th? All right, that takes care of that pile of money. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you on today's files? All right, normally on these charges, I would assess fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program, but given the fact that we had you for a while on some other files with jail, I'm going to waive that. You're welcome. All right, unfortunately, because these files are so old, and we haven't seen you, you've racked up some late fees and penalties. So on each of these files, fines and costs is $650. I'm going to let you set up some kind of payment plan or payment arrangements downstairs today. So before you get out of here, have a paper plan on how we're going to get our money on those. All right, whether or not that's a due date, you're going to pay it all, or if you're going to do it over payments, however you do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make payments on first.
Yeah, yep. But before you get out of here, I need that on paper.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ron.
You're welcome. Aaron, is it Franchuk? How do you say it? Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. A piece of sound from the floor. On behalf of the defendant, Aaron Franchuk, you stand to my right. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Eric Stephen Franklin.
Good morning, gentlemen. Tell me about the plea.
Yes, Your Honor. For the purpose of arraignment, like waive the formal reading and stand mute.
Done.
I did have an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor for purposes. We reached an agreement in this matter, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
To dismiss the original 2 counts. It's going to be in section of civil infraction. My client would please be responsible for the double parking.
I see that, and he's agreed to pay fines and costs of $400.
Yes.
All right, I'll do it on the civil infraction, Heather. And can you pay the $400 today?
I can pay next week.
We do 14 days, Your Honor, if that's.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, both original charges are dismissed.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Hold on, what do we got all here? Except for. All right, you've got something coming up for a review on January 5. Oh, offer sent to attorney on 12/9, must respond by 12/17. Are you handled some civil infractions for us?
Civil infraction.
Yeah, that one I just talked about was a speeding 21 over. And then we got another one. Failed to signal observe, review set for 12/18/25, still in pending status. Yeah, you might want to check those downstairs so we don't miss a deadline.
Absolutely.
All right, have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you.
You as well.
Thank
What's this pile up here?
you.
Old scratch.
Yaman El Ahmad?
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Half of Mr. L. Say your name for the court.
John Lawson.
So
You
you're
just need a new date?
Yes.
Okay,
the arraignment, you stand mute, really reading out the information.
all right. You working? Go ahead.
He is requesting a court appointed attorney to reach trial.
Okay, all right. You're working? Where at?
Lowe's.
How long you been at Lowe's? Heather, can we do a pretrial 212?
Yes, Judge Martin. Is his last name ELHMAD?
Yep. What time,
Fine to me, or we get different?
No, it's signs deal.
Okay.
what time we doing that?
212 is gonna be 9:30.
And you said that's Judge Martin?
Correct.
All right. Sir, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition and second condition, both are kind of obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for your court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means marijuana and alcohol are off the table. Understood? Can you abide by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. Just wait a minute. We'll get you a paper notice. Haley, is it Matthew? Did I pronounce it right? Counsel?
Morning, Judge Dion Pattillo, 82378 on behalf of Ms. Matthews. State your name. Hazel Matthews. So you're not asking to get her name, fans, and you got way reading. I have opportunity to discuss this matter with the prosecutor. There is an agreement to dismiss the original charge of operating while intoxicated, and Ms. Matthews would plead to operating while visibly impaired.
Thank you. Ms. Matthew, did you discuss with counsel your rights and options? You understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, if you would voir dire, I've got an incident date of October 9 this year.
Ms. Matthews, state your name for the court again one more time. And were you in the city of Bankruptcy Township on October 9th? Were you driving a motor vehicle? Prior to driving that motor vehicle, have you consumed alcohol? And do you believe that alcohol impaired your ability to satisfy?
I'm satisfied too. I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, Ms. Matthew, next step is I'm going to send you downstairs to the front counter. Probation is going to schedule for you to come back for an interview and a sentencing date. All right. I'll also put you on a personal bond in the meantime. Did you hear me do terms on the last one? First one is stay out of trouble. Second one is show up for your court date. Third one is, all right, raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions for counsel before I let you go downstairs? You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What was the name on that one I just handed you?
So, yeah.
Feldkamp. Stay where you're at. We're just going to get you an adjourned notice date or adjourned date notice. So we'll take care of that. You're welcome. Front row, you're all together? All right, back row. All right. I'm gonna keep doing them on this.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Well, that's- Oh,
So needless to say, I'm not getting it all. In about 70. If I'm changed. Mr. Pelican, do you know how to use Zoom?
Yes.
All right, and the next thing's gonna be on Zoom. That is Zoom ID number right there. Judge Martin, it is Thursday, February 12th, at 9:20. You don't need to come here, just jump on Zoom, you'd be awesome. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Hold on.
Yes.
I'm figuring on that.
No.
It's not it. What was that? Yes. Are we being done? There's nobody in the hallway. You're lying. That's Joe. Nobody out there for us. I think, gosh. Wow. Well, I think it was because of the ordinance, so I did a chunk. So I did that. Plus, we had quite a few no-shows that had several tickets, so that also helps. But let me check. Thank you, thank you.
This courtroom session highlights the importance of accountability, respect for the legal process, and personal responsibility. Throughout the hearing, the judge carefully addressed each case, ensuring that defendants understood their rights, court obligations, and the consequences of their actions. While some individuals were given opportunities to move forward through plea agreements and personal bonds, they were also reminded that compliance with court orders is essential. The judge's firm but fair approach demonstrates that the justice system is designed not only to enforce the law but also to provide individuals with a chance to correct their mistakes and make better decisions. This hearing serves as a powerful reminder that cooperation, honesty, and responsibility can play a major role in achieving a positive outcome in court.